Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Redis Cloud login problems, account and network errors step by step clearly. To fix Redis Cloud login problems, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to a stable network. Open your web browser and clear the cache and cookies. Close and reopen the browser to refresh your session. Navigate to the Redis Cloud login page. Double-check the URL to ensure you're on the correct site. Enter your email and password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Click on the Forgot Password link if you don't remember your password. Follow the instructions in the email sent to reset your password. After resetting your password, attempt to log in again. If you still experience issues, try using a different browser or device. Disable any browser extensions that might interfere with the login process. Temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking access. Make sure your account is active and not suspended or deleted. Contact Redis Cloud support if you encounter account-specific issues. Provide them with detailed information about your problem for quicker resolution. Once the issue is resolved, attempt to log in again to confirm success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.